Hello RGBians, welcome to our brand new series on developing REST APIs using Flask. In this series, we're going to cover the core concepts of Flask and REST API development, and we're going to cover from very basics, from coding, testing to deployment. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and never miss our new videos. So let's start, guys. First to talk about myself, I'm Surya Bhusal. I'm aligned to backend, architecture and DevOps, and I especially work on Python, JS, PHP and Java, but I prefer to work on Python and JS and its framework. And I specialize in Flask, Django and React. Since few days I've been learning React. So to talk about my stack, I work as backend developer, DevOps and lead architect at RGB. And for sure, every developer must know the basics of working on containerized platforms, building CI/CD pipeline. So I work on Docker, Kubernetes a little bit. And to talk about my experience, I have been working on Python related technologies and frameworks since 2 years. So to continue to the slide, let's see what we are going to cover in this series. We'll be developing Flask API from the core, and we'll also be covering basics part of authentication and encryption. We'll be using token-based authentication and Postgres database as a backend database, and we'll also be writing unit test for the code we have written. It's interesting, guys, hear me. We'll also generate test report and coverage report. The term coverage report might be unknown to beginners, but we'll see that later. And finally, we'll deploy our application to AWS Cloud Server, and if possible, we'll try to deploy on other servers too. And if you want to deploy to any other servers, please leave a comment in the comment section. And it's going to be 5 to 6 hours long video, guys, so have a patience. We're going to cover lots and lots of concepts, guys. So let's see why Flask. Comparing to other frameworks like Django, it's lightweight and micro framework, and it's pretty fast, but the downside is you won't get the battery included in this framework. In other frameworks like Django, you'll get authentication, encryption, the battery included. But the best part is, once you master this micro framework, you'll be able to know core concept from the ground. Yes, guys, it's true. You'll be learning very basics in this framework. So I suggest everyone to try this framework before jumping into use framework like Django, because without knowing the very basics of how web applications are developed, it's very bad to jump into use framework. So as you can see, guys, it has 51.3k stars, 2.3k watts and 13.7k forks. You can guess from this data, it's pretty nice. And other aspects is that it's pretty easy to customize, because in other frameworks like Django, it's hard to customize and tweak into the internals. Bear me, guys, it's awesome framework. Once you master this framework, you'll be able to work on any other frameworks like Node, Laravel, Coordinator, or any other framework like Django. So let's get started, guys. Let me install Python. I've already installed Python on my machine. Open your terminal using Ctrl Alt and T, and first of all we need to update our package repository. So you can do sudo apt-get update to update your package repository. I've already cleared my cache, so it's taking a bit time. Oh, it's finished. So let's install Python 3.6. So apt-get install Python 3.6. Yes. It's finished. 30.9 MB in 12 seconds. Pretty nice speed, huh? Packing. I'll be developing this application on Ubuntu system, but if you have any problems you can leave comment in the comment section, guys. I'll be helping to troubleshoot any problem. So let's see if Python installed or not. Python 3. Oh yes, it's installed. Hello world, RGBians, right? Nice. So let's exit now. Oh, it's installed. So let's exit out of the terminal. So for the project, I need to create a folder on desktop. So let's create a folder called Flask API. I'm creating this folder on desktop, but you can create in any directory you prefer. Cd Flask.
And guys, thank you for watching, and I will continue it in next episode. Till then, subscribe, like and comment your queries. Thank you.